Let us understand displacement reaction or single displacement reaction in a simple manner. A reacts with BC to produce AC and B is displaced. Okay, now what has to be noted over here is that for this reaction to take place, A should be more reactive than B. Over here, we are considering both A and B as metals, out of which the metal A should be more reactive than the metal B. Then only this reaction will take place. Now, how the reaction takes place? If A is more reactive than B, then A displaces B from its position. And as you can see in the product, A takes the position of B. Earlier we had BC in the reactants. Now we have AC in the products. That means A has taken the position of B. Why? Because A is more reactive than B, while B is displaced. This is what a displacement reaction is. Let us take an example. Iron reacts with copper sulfate Now you can see in this reaction both iron and copper are metals, out of which iron is more reactive than copper. Just like in the above reaction, A was more reactive than B. If iron is more reactive than copper, iron is going to take the place of copper, thus forming FeSO4, while the less reactive metal is displaced. So this is what a displacement reaction is. A more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal from its salt solution, thus producing a new salt and displacing the less reactive metal.